In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download, install and use WhatsApp on your Windows PC. And because security is a big deal in 2025, I'll also share a few settings you can turn on to keep your chat safe. So let's start right at the beginning, downloading WhatsApp desktop. You can either head over to whatsapp.com where I am right now, or just open Microsoft Store on your computer. So once you hit this download button, you'll get a smaller install file, usually called an exe, executable files, which you can use to install WhatsApp. So once you run that file, WhatsApp will install automatically on your computer. And when it's done, just click open and you'll see a login screen. So I already installed it. This is the login screen I'm talking about, where you see getting started and welcome to WhatsApp. Alright, with the app installed, the next step is linking it to your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. Now, you have got two options to sign in. Option 1 is the QR code. On your PC, you'll see a QR code. This is the QR code. And to link it with your phone, you go to WhatsApp on your phone. Let's open WhatsApp on your phone right there. Then you open WhatsApp. Then from here you select the menu, 3 menu icons. Then you select link a device. Then select link a device again. So let me enter my pattern. From there you'll see open WhatsApp with desktop or other thing. From here you can scan the QR automatically with the camera. That's the first option. If you scan it, you get logged in automatically. But if you don't want to use the QR code, option 2 is linking with your phone number. On your PC, beside the QR code, you'll see link with phone number. So let's click that, link with phone number. So once you click link with phone number, it asks you for your country. You select your country. Then your phone number, according to the country you are in. Let me enter my phone number. Then you click next. The moment you click next, WhatsApp will generate a temporary code that you'll use to log into your account. So back to your phone, you go to the link devices again. Then you select link a device. Let me re-enter the password. Then from there, below the scan code, you'll see link with the phone number. So you click link with the phone number. So after you click link with the phone number, you use the code you are given on your desktop to log in. So let's enter the code you are given from your desktop to the phone. Here, X. So once you click it in, you type that code and it's done. WhatsApp is loading messages as you speak. My phone is already connected, so let me wait for the WhatsApp desktop to download recent messages. Just like that, you have connected your WhatsApp to your desktop. Once you're signed in, there are so many things you can do before you even venture into communication with your WhatsApp on your desktop. The first thing you can do, you can personalize your WhatsApp to make it feel more comfortable on your PC. So the first thing you can do is you select your settings here. After setting, go to personalization. From here you can change themes. Switching to dark mode is my personal favorite. It's way easier on the eyes if you're working at night. But you can, apart from the theme, you can also set a custom wallpaper for your chats if you want to add a bit more of personality. So you can make it look nicer the way you want it. So it depends with your preference. You can use WhatsApp Doodle, that's the wallpaper, the main wallpaper of WhatsApp, the text sizing and everything. Looks are nice, but apart from looks, security is even more important. So let's make sure your app is safer to use on your computer. First, make sure you have two-factor authentication turned on in your WhatsApp app. This will save you a lot of time. So mostly if somebody tries to log into WhatsApp, he'll need a temporary code that you created to log in so that to authenticate if it's you. So to set up a two-factor, to check if it's enabled in your phone, go to settings, then account. Then from the account option on your mobile phone, you can see two-step verification. So if it's turned on, you're good to go. That way, even if someone somehow gets your password, they still can log in without the extra code that you created. So that's an extra layer of security. Secondly, regularly check the list of linked devices in WhatsApp and log out from any you don't recognize or no longer use. To do that, we go to the menu, we click devices. From here, you can evaluate the list of devices you have. If there's a suspicious device you don't know or a computer you used to log in but you're no longer using that, you log them out. And logging out is very easy. Click, then an option comes up, you select log out. It logs out that device automatically. And here is a tip most people forget. WhatsApp desktop doesn't have a built-in log. So if you leave your PC open, anyone could just read your chats. To fix that, you can use a tool like AppScript from Microsoft Store. The application will let you add a password to your application, including WhatsApp desktop, and it's super handy if your computer is shared. Alright, once you have set that up, basically you are good to go. And that's it. WhatsApp is now running on your Windows PC. Once you have set it up, it's super convenient. You can reply faster, drag and drop files, and just save yourself from constantly switching to your phone. I hope this walkthrough helped you out, and if it did, drop a like so many more people can find it. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, you can subscribe and stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.